What if I told you Samsung just pulled off a major privacy upgrade, and most users won't even notice it unless they dig deep into their settings? Or that their next big Android update isn't just for flashy foldables and flagships, but also quietly speeding its way into budget phones faster than ever before? That's not a rumor. It's already happening, and Samsung just gave us the clearest signs yet that One UI 8 is shaping up to be its most polished, secure, and surprisingly wide-reaching update in years. But there's more hiding under the hood, and that's where things get really interesting. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're loving these behind-the-scenes updates, give this video a like, share it with your tech squad, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. So here's the scoop. Before One UI 8 even rolls out officially, Samsung has started silently upgrading the core apps that power how your phone feels. And right now, the spotlight is on Good Lock, the suit that turns your Galaxy phone into your Galaxy phone. 4 of its most powerful modules just got a fresh coat of paint to fully support One UI 80, Home Up, Multistar, Navstar, and Quickstar. Sounds simple until you realize this update does more than fix bugs. It lays the groundwork for wild new personalization, and even a sneak peek into Galaxy Z Flip 7's secret weapon. Home Up now lets you remix your home screen layout, folders, and share manager without a glitch. Multistar takes foldable multitasking to a new level. And yes, there's now a launcher widget built specifically for the Flip 7 tucked quietly into the update. Navstar brings new tricks to gesture and navigation bar tweaks. And Quickstar gives you deep control over your quick settings, status bar, and notifications, so your phone behaves your way, not Samsung's way. All of this already available. Just hit Update All in the Galaxy Store and you're future ready. But while everyone's distracted by the flashy UI tweaks, Samsung just plugged one of the biggest privacy holes in its secure folder feature, and it's the kind of upgrade that deserves way more attention. Since 2017, Secure Folder has used Android's work profile to sandbox your private stuff. The problem? Under the surface, that work profile could still leak some data access to system-level tools. That's no longer to 8. Samsung is ditching the old work profile model in favor of Android 16's new private profile. Translation: no more background snooping from permissions controllers, photo pickers, or even hidden system-level tools. But here's the catch. This supercharged privacy mode only works at full strength if you hide the secure folder. If you leave it visible, notifications from those apps might still show up. So yeah, hiding it isn't just optional anymore, it's essential. And in typical Samsung fashion, this power move comes with a small side effect. With the new private profile setup, Secure Folder currently doesn't play nice with third-party launchers, even though Android 16 is supposed to support them. Whether that's a temporary bug or a deliberate limit, we'll have to wait and see if a future update smooths things out. But for now, it's a trade-off: better protection, fewer customization perks. Meanwhile, while all this is happening quietly in the background, Samsung is shifting gears loudly with its One UI 8 rollout strategy. Forget the usual waitlist. Budget phones are now getting fast-tracked like never before. Case in point, the Galaxy M355 This phone launched with One UI 6.1, barely settled into One UI 7, and now it's already being tested internally with One UI 8. Build number M356BX5EG6 spotted live on Indian variants. That's a huge change from Samsung's old routine, where premium models always led the pack. This time, the gap between high-end and mid-range is closing fast. The Galaxy S25 series is already testing Beta 4, and insiders say the stable update could start rolling out for older models right after July 30. Expect the S24 lineup, Z Flip 6, Z Fold 6, and even the Galaxy A56 and A36 to be next in line. Samsung clearly wants to broaden its early access base, and it's moving quicker than ever to make that happen. And speaking of fast, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7 are already getting OTA updates before they're even in people's hands. No joke. These foldables launch with One UI 8 pre-installed, but they're also the first to support seamless updates, meaning no more long wait times or reboot loops. The update rolling out now includes the July 2025 security patch and carries a build ending in AUAG5. If you're unboxing one of these on launch day, it's already ahead of the game. So yeah, while Samsung hasn't officially dropped One UI 8 yet, the rollout has already started in the shadows. Good Lock's being updated quietly. Secure Folder just got its biggest privacy upgrade ever, and budget phones are finally in the fast lane. If you've got a Galaxy device, this is the moment to update your core apps, double-check your eligibility, and get your phone ready for a wave of changes. Some you'll notice instantly, and others that are silently working in the background to keep your phone faster, smarter, and safer. Stick around, because this rollout is just heating up, and in the next few days, we might see the full stable version of One UI 8 go live. When it does, I'll break down every change that matters. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep you one step ahead of everyone else.